everyone, and welcome to Wise Owl English Learning. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of cooking vocabulary. Whether you're a beginner in English or just looking to expand your culinary lexicon, this video is perfect for you. Follow cooking shows and improve your English skills in the kitchen. So, let's get started and cook up some knowledge together. Boil.
Boil.
Boil the water for tea. Bake.
Bake.
She loves to bake cakes on weekends. Fry.
Fry.
Fry the onions until golden. Deep fry.
Deep fry.
Deep fry the potatoes until they are golden and crispy. Grill.
Grill.
I like to grill meat for dinner. Roast.
Roast.
Roast the turkey for Thanksgiving. Steam.
Steam.
Steam the vegetables for a healthy meal. Stir.
Stir.
Stir the soup occasionally. Chop.
Chop.
Chop the carrots into round slices. Slice.
Slice.
Slice the bread evenly. Dice.
Dice.
Dice the tomatoes for the salad. Mix.
Mix.
Mix the flour and sugar together. Blend.
Blend.
Blend the fruits for a smoothie. Whisk.
Whisk.
Whisk the eggs until fluffy. Pour.
Pour.
Pour the water from the pitcher into the glass. Add.
Add.
Add a pinch of salt. Serve.
Serve.
Serve the dish hot. Preheat.
Preheat.
Preheat the oven to 180 C. Marinate.
Marinate.
Marinate the meat overnight. Peel.
Peel.
Peel the potatoes before boiling. Grate.
Grate.
Grate the cheese for the pasta. Mash.
Mash.
Mash the potatoes until smooth. Freeze.
Freeze.
Freeze the leftovers for later. Melt.
Melt.
Melt the butter in a pan. Measure.
Measure.
Measure the flour accurately. Taste.
Taste.
Taste the sauce and adjust seasoning. Simmer.
Simmer.
Simmer the stew for an hour. Beat.
Beat.
Beat the eggs until frothy. Garnish.
Garnish.
Garnish the dish with parsley. Toast.
Toast.
Toast the bread until crispy. Knead.
Knead.
Knead the dough until smooth. Spread.
Spread.
Spread butter on the toast. Sift.
Sift.
Sift the flour to remove lumps. Flip.
Flip.
Flip the pancake after 2 minutes. Skim.
Skim.
Skim the fat off the soup. Broil.
Broil.
Broil the fish for a crispy skin. Squeeze.
Squeeze.
Squeeze the lemon over the salad. Drain.
Drain.
After boiling the pasta, drain it well before serving. Thank you for joining us today at Wise Owl English Learning. We hope you found this cooking vocabulary lesson helpful and enjoyable. Remember to practice these words in your own kitchen and share your experiences with us in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest lessons. Until next time, keep learning and cooking with confidence. See you soon.